And frankly, I heard that the airport is under some litigation and it's gone to the court. I don't mind on this public platform to fold my hands and appeal to those NGOs and those few people who are coming in the path of development, who are not helping Goa grow, who are not helping the cause of the people of Goa by such litigation. I appeal to all of them. Think about the prosperity of your children in the future. Think about the prosperity of the people of India, the people of Goa. All over the world, they have modern airports, large infrastructure. But every time we try to do some good, every time we try to expand infrastructure, create more jobs, bring economic activity, attract more tourists, if one or the other NGO or a few people are going to go to courts and stall the development work, I think it is the worst form of obstructing justice for the poor of India.
Goa is the state with a high literacy rate, as well as the state with the highest per capita income. Our focus sector, including the education, IT, entertainment, agro and food processing, pharma, healthcare and biotechnology, tourism, wellness, shipbuilding, besides mining.
1,150 crore rupees of business inquiries generated. 1,150 crore rupees. And this is also documented. This is not a figure from the air. 542 international delegates came. We are saying this figure because you will be surprised. We hosted all of these 542 delegates at our cost. 450 crore rupees of investment proposals have been received, and they are in writing. And now the government, in fact, 19 business delegations of 19 countries met the Honorable Chief Minister. And Honorable Chief Minister was here in the Expo venue with his own office. 83 international speakers came for 25 knowledge summit sessions.